Hi there! Today we're going to learn how to make kuhi with Victoria.
This is gonna be the best video ever because this is just my first time and we're gonna make the best thing ever.
It's called kuhi.
I know.
Alright, so kuhi, what's in that drink? It is consisting of the honey, Thai ginger juice, and then we can put in usually the Maui ginger beer, but we already used it all up, so today we'll just substitute with ginger ale. And then obviously Victoria won't get this version, she'll get the virgin version, but we will put the vodka, organic vodka from Hawaii into the adult version. All
and
right.
also, if you're wondering what's inside this, there is ice melted.
Yeah, melting, yes, right. So these nice cups came from Wailea Beach Resort, and that's where we also got the drink formula
And
on how
also,
to make it.
we also bought this from Hawaii, if you did not know that, and it was from our hotel.
Okay.
Well, not from Hawaii, though.
Okay, so we shall begin. All right, so the Kuhihuhi is a very simple drink mix. For the kids, it'll just be this and this, and we'll put it in the
Where am I
cup here
gonna
with ice. All right.
I have a question. Where am
Okay.
I gonna find all these things?
Oh, you will find it on the Maui Island.
Okay.
And this is what we brought back. Unfortunately, they only gave us 2.
Yes.
And so this is the honey lemon mix. And we simply just put it in here. And then this is the ginger ale,
Yes.
which may be an acquired taste, equal 4 ounces.
Smells very salty and very
Again, normally we would use the Maui Brewing Company.
good.
Unfortunately, that's already finished. So that's yours, Victoria.
Okay.
One for you.
Taste test time.
Yours is the green, okay? And
Okay,
then
let's
for
make
me,
the next one for my daddy.
Yes, and that was the last of it. Just in time to finish our video.
Yes, just in time. If you have been wondering where we got this, we just announced it in the first time. In the
Okay.
first video, in the first. Okay.
All right, and this is the Ocean Organic Vodka,
Okay.
which is
Roundy.
obviously
Which is
the
oh.
video, that is. Okay,
Yes.
finally we have it open. All right,
Uh-huh.
so I won't chase it now with 4 ounces, but I will just put a light touch to it, okay?
Yes. Like.
All right, so next time you are in Maui, make sure you get all these ingredients: the honey Thai lemon mix, the Maui Beer Company, and ginger beer, which is really non-alcoholic, but today we're just using a premium ginger ale for the bubbly factor, and then obviously the Ocean Organic Vodka.
Yes. And if you are there, you must get these ingredients if you need to make them, and make sure you just subscribe.
All right, sounds good. All right, so here we are. Okay, you drink that one with the green straw, and let's go ahead and give it a try. Cheers. Yummy.
Tastes like gingerbread. It tastes like gingerbread. It tastes like gingerbread. I don't mind of that, but it tastes good.